Today we're doing a tutorial on how to use the new Load Extracted Shorelines feature. This feature lets you load your extracted shorelines in the map and then choose which shorelines you want to remove. This is great for outlier shorelines and makes it an outlier detection and removal an interactive process. So I'm going to load in a sample session I made earlier called Session 2 onto the map. And as you can see, it already loaded our first extracted shoreline. And let's show how we can load multiple of these extracted shorelines on the map. Let me position this a little better. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to hold Control and you're going to click the shorelines you want to load. As you can see, they're appearing on the map. Let's zoom in to get a better look. As you can see, the darker shorelines in purple here are the older ones, and then the lighter ones in yellow are the newer ones. Now that you know how to load shorelines on the map, let's remove one or two. We're going to put them in the trash. So just in case you don't actually want to remove these shorelines, they're not actually deleted yet. They're just sitting in the trash can. And I can see them on the map. And if I decide, actually, this shoreline, wait for the map to load real quick. Let's say this shoreline is actually good and I want to keep it. I'm going to click this undo button, and that's going to put it right back in the load bin. And if I decide I do want to delete this one, then I'm going to click empty trash. What empty trash will do is it will take all the shorelines that are in the trash, and it will delete them from all the files in your session. So I'm going to click empty trash. And if you have a large time series, let's say 40 years worth of imagery, you might notice it takes a few seconds and there's a blue circular loading bar. Wait for that to clear before you try deleting any shorelines. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope this helps.